Aerial madness.
Steps up from the top rope. AMAKUSA lands heavy on Hiromu.
He's feeling it.
Oh, he's not done there. AMAKUSA on the top turnbuckle.
Firebird 450.
Beautiful.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost had a heart attack right there. Didn't expect that. AMAKUSA's relentless.
Yeah, he has to be, doesn't he? Against the time bomb.
Oh, my word.
It'll get him in trouble too.
Yeah. Overzealous.
Went hard into the corner there. AMAKUSA following that Firebird splash, which was a thing of beauty.
This crowd getting pumped.
Oh, yeah. It's great to feel this energy from them.
It's absolutely packed here on the arena floor and right up into the heavens in the stands as well. All three levels.
It's fantastic. We are surrounded by a sea of pro wrestling fans.
The biggest stage and the biggest crowd of the year in this country we'd expect in pro wrestling.
We're back on his feet first, drags AMAKUSA up, smacks him in the face, inviting him to hit him back. AMAKUSA not finding his footing. Stopped with every shot from Hiromu. He's just not finding his way in here now.
He's not fighting back. He's not fighting back at all.
He's chopping him down.
AMAKUSA on the end of a terrible beatdown here at the moment. Playing possum by the looks of it. Oh, thrust kick to the jaw.
The reactions to AMAKUSA's offense are getting louder and louder, by the way, from the crowd.
Takes the back off Takahashi. Trying to stay close to him, but Takahashi using his elbows to get out of that. Oh, nice snap suplex there. He just popped straight back onto his feet. AMAKUSA, there's an open palm strike. And a lariat from Hiromu Takahashi.
Huge lariat.
Hiromu Takahashi mentioned in the interview pre-show that this was going to be basically a battle of wills. It was going to boil down to a battle of wills. Like, forget everything in the past, forget Noah, New Japan. It will come down to who digs deeper.
Yep. Oh, look, what's Takahashi clutching there? He's got the mask.
Kenbai mask.
He's got the old mask. The old Kenbai mask. Takes a kick on the way in. The mask goes flying.
He was gifted that mask by AMAKUSA a decade ago in England. It's a past that AMAKUSA seemingly wants to forget. He wouldn't be drawn on it at the press conference. Or will he?
He's got to be thinking, what does this mean right now to me and our past together? Oh, wow. He's got the mask. Oh. He's still holding on to that mask.
It's a trip down memory lane for him right now. He's thinking of that former glory. It was when he last wore that mask a decade ago that he defeated Takahashi in the UK.
He just threw that mask away.
Rolling elbow from Takahashi. Enziguri from AMAKUSA. Denied. He's got him up. Well, this is not looking good for AMAKUSA, but he's managed to...
Time bomb, but...
Yeah, he's managed to counter it.
Oh!
Rolls him up. Stays on it. The shoulders are down.
2, 3. Ooh! Oh. Hiromu holds on.
Yeah, put him in the fireman's carry.
10 minutes into this, he deadlifts him back up. Bang! There it is! The time bomb from Hiromu Takahashi! Is he going to finish it here? Tokyo Tony!